Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of villa doors. Yes, doors. These often overlooked features can define your home's personality and elevate its curb appeal. In this video, we'll walk you through the top trends in villa door styles for luxury homes. Let's step into elegance. Trend 1. Oversized entrance doors. Oversized doors are making a bold statement in luxury homes. These grand entrances are not just about scale, they symbolize elegance and sophistication. Pivot doors, in particular, are a popular choice, offering seamless functionality and contemporary design. Trend 2. Glass and steel combos. Next, we have glass and steel combinations. These doors are perfect for modern villas, providing a sleek, minimalist aesthetic while allowing natural light to flood into your space. For privacy, opt for frosted or textured glass. Trend 3. Intricate carvings and patterns. Carved doors are a timeless trend that never goes out of style. Featuring intricate designs, these doors are perfect for villas with a classical or Mediterranean theme. They showcase craftsmanship and add a touch of artistry to your entrance. Trend 4. Metal inlaid doors. For a touch of opulence, metal inlaid doors are trending this year. Think bronze, gold, or silver accents that contrast beautifully with rich wooden finishes. These are perfect for creating a regal and sophisticated look. Trend 5. Double doors for drama. Double doors are a classic choice for luxury villas. They exude grandeur and make your entrance feel like a gateway to a palace. Pair them with ornate handles and embellishments for an even more dramatic effect. Trend 6. Smart doors with high-tech features. In the age of smart homes, why should doors be left behind? High-tech doors with features like fingerprint recognition, automated locks, and integrated security systems are becoming must-haves for modern luxury villas. And there you have it, the top trends in villa door styles for luxury homes. Whether you prefer classic charm, modern elegance, or high-tech convenience, there's a door style for every dream villa. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.